Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hello, hi. My name is Thuba. I am the co-founder and the head of marketing and sales of LULAMA Food. We are a township business. We are a business that is at the forefront of promoting a healthy lifestyle. We offer wraps, salads, as well as a whole range of other products that deal with specifically a wellness of an individual. Our business was established in 2019. We partner with local farm owners which produce fresh fruits, and then we stock from them, and then we actually make our products from scratch, from our breads. We marinate our own sauces. We actually make everything from scratch, and everyone which has tried our products now has been in love, and we're looking to expand more into the region and further into the country as a whole. LULAMA Food was established having noted the significant need for health benefits from individuals because people are not performing at their optimal, productive best with regards to their bodies and productive lifestyle. Everyone is always busy rushing off to work, which results to having minimal time to produce nutritional balanced food. So as a business, we noted a significant need to produce affordable, convenient, and healthy fast food products for our taxi commuters, our local families, Makasana, and ever since, everyone has been appreciating this because they feel that they've always needed this, and we've actually come to the rescue. Hi, I am Thubelihle from LULAMA Food, Eat to Live, and I am a township entrepreneur.